February 2nd, 2011, the day after our blizzard. I'm going to have Lauren let the dogs out. Run in the dog yard. It's about 3.5 feet deep. Here they come, the Whippets. Here's the babies. Here come the kids. Here comes Jackie. Where's Breezy? We need Breezy. There's Breezy girl. Come on, guys, run around. Come on, guys. Run around. Not on the deck. Come on, come on. Chance, Breezy, Breezy. Breezy. Breezy girl. Come on, Breezy. Breezy. Breezy, come on. Breezy, come on. Come on, Breezy. Oh, who that? Who that? Who that? Who that over here? Oh, who that? Come on, guys.
Come here, Chance. Come here, Chance. Turner.
Oh, damn. Trying to get them to run in this deep snow. They won't. Oh, well. I found some yellow gold. Anybody want to buy some? I'll start a penny stock on it. There's Chance and his son. Turner's looking like he's taking a poop, but nope, he's not. He's just scared to death. He's in submission. He's not laying down. Turner, stop being such a wuss. Man up, dude. Man up. Come on, guys. Let's play. I didn't come out here in the tundra for nothing. Come on, back up. Here, Jackie. Mama. Here, Jackie, Mama. Mama, want to go for a walk later? See, I can take Jackie around the block. No leash, no problem. There's Breezy. Way over by the door saying, what the hell's going on out here? Let me back in the house. Breezy girl, come on. Looking so goofy with your ear flipped up, ear down. Breezy. Well, anyways, this wasn't what I expected. 2 years ago we had a massive snow like this, not quite like this, but Chance, the dad, over here, was up to his eyeballs in snow, just running around having a good old time. So anyways, by the Pool 1 Investor Hub. You see our snow is like halfway up our fence. We're 3 foot deep here at least. Anyways, have a good day.